साहिबा आए घर काहे ना ऐसे तो सताए ना देखूं तुझको.
Hey everyone, it's Sahiba here, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit the viral Sahiba trend with smooth zoom in and out effects, cinematic slow-mo, and clean transitions to make your video look aesthetic and professional. So let's jump in and make your Sahiba reel go viral together. Add overlay of Sahiba edit, then according to that sample reel. Add music beat at every transition. Clips according to beats. Now in first clip, add keyframe at the start of clip and then zoom in at the last clip. Now in second clip, add keyframe at the start of clip and zoom in. Then add keyframe at the last of clip and zoom out. Same process with all clips. Saturation and start clip about 34. Now in first clip, add ripple overlay and then go in splice, select filter and adjust it. Now copy ripple overlay on another clip like I'm doing. Now in last clip, add light fall effect. And then in last, add white overlay splice in overlay and adjust it, and then add fade out effect in this overlay. After doing all these steps, copy it on every clips. It for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning how to edit the viral Sahiba trend using zoom effects, slow-mo, and transitions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aesthetic and trending edit tutorials. Drop your thoughts or requests in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas.